We're here to celebrate the ribbon cutting for Chrissy Simmons Law Firm. Karen Brown with the Outer Banks Chamber. Again, I want to thank you all for being here. Also want to thank Spectrum Business. They sponsor all of our ribbon cuttings as well as our ambassador program. We're always happy to welcome a business to the Chamber and celebrate a new office for you and a new venture. So congratulations on that. The Chamber has about 1,050 members currently, so there's a lot of opportunity to do business-to-business networking all the way from Currituck through Dare County and down through Ocracoke Island. Have a few people with me today I'd like to introduce. Have one of our board members, Mike Fulton, is with us today with the Outer Banks Voice. Mike's on our board, so thank you for being here. Then we have a number of our ambassadors, so thank you all for being here to help celebrate. Introducing our Commissioner Warren Judge with us today, and ask Warren to say a few words.
Well, thank you, Karen, and thanks to the Chamber for all that you do. And where's Chrissy? There's Chrissy. Right here. Chrissy, thank you on behalf of everybody in the county. It's always exciting when somebody starts a new business and creates a new business. And you've given back to this community a lot. You've served us well in our court system as a prosecutor. We thank you for that. I believe you did some coaching. We have a lot of young people who can thank you for that. So thank you for what you've meant to us in our community, and we look for great things from you in the days and months and years ahead. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. And with that, I'm going to introduce Chrissy and let her tell you about the practice and what you're doing.
Thank you. Well, I appreciate everybody coming today, and I promise you're going to eat. There's plenty of food. My mom and Cafe Lachine have made sure of that. But first, thank you very much for coming. I thank the Chamber for what you're doing, and for the bar. And my dad always said that I was only going to be happy when I opened my own business, but my brother and some other family members can attest that I am not the entrepreneurial of the family. And so I take this step with a leap of faith. I'm a little nervous and anxious, but I've had a lot of support from the bar. I can reach out to several of the attorneys when I have questions, and they've always been there to help me, so I appreciate that. I'm going to focus on family law and criminal defense and some civil litigation. I hope to do some things that are a little bit different from some of my fellow attorneys, to hopefully find my own little niche and not take any business from them. But I look forward to getting out there and serving, hopefully, mostly the indigent. I think that's where I've found my niche since I've left the DA's office. I've done a lot of stuff with those that are a little bit less fortunate than those of us standing here on this porch. So I hope that you'll take some cards and hand them out. And if I can ever assist you or your family, please don't hesitate to call. As far as my little space here, my husband and I have spent a lot of hours here late in the evenings, usually with two little kids running around. My aunt and uncle were very instrumental. My brother Ketch has built some of the stuff in my office, so it's definitely been a family affair. So I appreciate all my family, my mom and stepdad, and other brother here from out of town, and sister-in-law, and they've done a lot for me this week as well. So thank you very much. Let's cut a ribbon and we can eat. You can get out of the hot sun.